Hello beautiful souls, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Love Pass. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Kunjal. I make videos related to occult science and mental well-being. Today I have a topic which is very dear to my heart and it has changed my life for better. So I thought why not share this video with you guys so that it can make a difference in your life too. ये आपके लाइफ को भी चेंज करे, यही मेरी प्रेयर एंड होप है, बिकॉज ये एक सिंपल टेक्निक्स एंड सिंपल टिप्स है बट इट इज गोइंग टू चेंज योर लाइफ so much. Let's not create a lot of hope and lot of hype about it, and let's just get directly into the video. So what is the topic? The topic is being mindful about your day-to-day activities and having an intentional day. You know, हम हमारा दिन स्टार्ट होते ही खत्म हो जाता है and we don't even know how our day was. Sometimes we even need to think. If somebody asks how our day was, we casually say it was okay. But have we actually thought कि हमारा दिन कैसा था? नहीं, right? So I want to take you through an entire day of how you should have an intentional day. When you say क्या मैं ये follow करती हूँ, of course I try to. 80% of the time I'm successful, but there are days where I am not. So I don't beat up myself for that. But let's do a practice where at least if there are 7 days a week, let's try 4 of them are an intentional mindful day. So are you guys with me? They are very simple and everybody can do it, right from a 5-year-old child to a 95-year-old adult. Everybody can do it. So let's get started. So the first thing is, as soon as you wake up, आप जैसे ही उठते हो, आपके पैर नीचे जमीन पर पड़ते हैं, आपका फर्स्ट इंटेंशन तभी होना चाहिए. You have to claim to the universe what you want. Like for example, today I claimed I want a super amazing day, universe, and universe exactly gave me that. So the first intention that you wake up is very important. क्या हम ये रोज करते हैं? What do we do when we wake up? यार 5 मिनट सोने ही नहीं दिया, यार कल कितना लेट सोया, I deserve 5 more minutes of sleep. या अरे यार आज वापस ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा. This is the intention we set up. Is it a positive one? I don't think so. So let's rewire ourselves and let's say whenever that alarm goes off, let's snooze it and let's keep our feet on the ground, feel that ground. First thing is, thank you universe, thank you God for giving me this day, for making me alive. And I set an intention that universe, today you have to be great to me. Today is going to be a super productive day. Today all the amazing things will happen to me. So that is our first intention. वो हमारा first intention है. Then as we go ahead in the day, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप ना थोड़ा बफर टाइम रखिए. Of course we live in cities and places where you know things are running super fast around us, but wake up a little early so you can have a mindful day. So when you go have like the first glass of water, whether it's warm water, lukewarm water, cold water, or whatever your time, whatever that you have, the first thing in the morning, feel it. Otherwise we are so busy that we do not even know how water tastes like, or how that lemon water that you have first thing in the morning tastes like. So have that, grab that cup of water and say, thank you water for quenching my thirst, or thank you water for giving me a delightful taste, thank you water for doing this to me. Set an intention with the water. Water, please purify my thoughts. Then let's go to the next thing. What we do, generally we all shower, right? The first thing in the morning if we are heading towards our office, or if we are, even if we are at work from home situation, is generally a good idea to take a shower first thing in the morning after our normal routine. So I have a quick tip for you here. Shower ritual. कभी सुना है पहले आपने? So क्या होता है shower ritual? 2 types. So second part, जब हम night time पहुंच जाएंगे तब मैं आपको बताती हूँ. The first thing is, when you have that water pouring on yourself, imagine that it's a white light coming from the universe and it's giving you that empowerment that today you are protected. Today that you will do will turn well for you. That white light, imagine that white light and set an intention with that light. That white light is coming from the above and it's hitting on your crown chakra, which is here, and on your third eye chakra here, and from there it is going all over your body. And set an intention with that white light. Whatever is your intention. My intention is to have a productive day. Your intention can be have a peaceful day. Set that intention. Then when you head towards your workplace, or whether you're cooking, whatever you're doing, so be involved in that present moment. हम क्या करते हैं, या हम past में रहते हैं या हम future में रहते हैं. Present तो हमने कभी देखा ही नहीं है. So let's be in the present moment. If you are working, be 100% in that. Give your intention that if half an hour I'm doing one project, my 100% will be in that, and I will give my 100%. Let that be your intention in whatever you do. So that is our day-to-day work. Then let's come to our lunch break. Whenever we eat food, first pray to that food that thank you for not letting me starve. Because of this food I'm going to get energy. So thank you food for giving me energy to work, to feel better. Whatever, just pray and say thank you. With this, I have another tip. Whenever you drink water, set an intention with that water, and preferably don't use plastic while you're drinking. It can be any metal or glass, and then set an intention. Every time you sip of water, just say, with this gets better. Like for example, whenever I drink water, I just say, I am blessed with abundance. So every time I drink water, my energy of being abundant and prosperous sips in with me. That's a technique. That's like a manifestation technique that we follow. तो वो आप भी कर सकते हैं. So do that. We come back. Then probably some of you might work out in the morning. Some of you might work out in the evening. If you are in the open, I know we are under the pandemic, but if you are going outside, just feel the air hitting you, right? Have we ever felt that? No, we are just doing because हमको वो 1 hour का workout खत्म करना है. But can we feel that वो workout में वो muscle feel हो रहा है हमको? Feel that muscle pulling, air breezing around. If you are doing with the music, feel that beat, right? Be in that present moment and feel everything. That is what I want to say. Then we are done with this. Now comes our nighttime routine. Again, probably we take a bath. So the second part of the shower ritual is whenever you are done with the day, just whenever that water hits you, that shower water hits you, just say, when the water hits me, all the negative energies, dead energies, anything that is not serving me and my body, mind and soul is going away with this water, and it is flushing down my system, my mind's, body and soul system. Do this and trust me, it is going to change your life for better. I have done this and I have tried and tested this. It works for me. The day I do it, I have such a sound sleep. Trust me on this. Now that is done. A lot of people have, whether you are whichever gender you belong to, you will always have a nighttime routine, a skincare routine. So do that mindfully. If you're using any skincare products, bless that product. Like whenever I use this product, my skin gets glowy, my skin becomes beautiful from within. Whatever is your affirmation, do it. And then comes the last part, which I say journaling. आपको लिखने का मन नहीं करता है तो आप लिखो मत, but at least have 3 things to be grateful for. और वो intentional gratitude होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि thank you for a beautiful life. Okay, this is a very generic grateful, which is good to have. But आज के दिन में ऐसा क्या हुआ that you are grateful for? For example, thank you God, today I got to eat rajma chawal. I loved it. That means you're creating things in detail, which means you're telling the universe, okay, this is the detailed thing that I like, so it's going to have more of it. So today when you say I like rajma chawal, universe is going to throw that out and it's going to bring all the like-minded food that you have in your life. So this is just a food example. Similarly, thank you universe, today you helped me speak to my school friend which I haven't spoken to 11 years back. So I'm so grateful to speak to that school friend of mine. So have that intentional कि आज के दिन में ऐसा क्या हुआ, 3 things that I am grateful for. और अगर आपको लगता है कि आज का दिन बहुत बेकार गया, आप 3 things क्या होगी वो आपकी? Thank you God for still keeping me alive. Thank you God for keeping the hope in me still alive. Thank you God for the shelter I have on my head. Thank you God for the food that I have. At least हम ये basic चीज़ें के लिए तो grateful हो सकते हैं, हमारा दिन कितना भी shitty क्यों ना हो, right? So before sleeping, have this thought in your mind. It is going to give you such a sound sleep. So guys, this was my mindful and intentional डेली रूटीन दैट आई फॉलो इन माई लाइफ, और ये मेरे लाइफ को बहुत चेंज किया है फॉर बेटर. सो आई होप यू गाइज टेक अप समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस एंड इम्प्लीमेंट इन योर लाइफ, एंड आई होप योर लाइफ इज ऑल्सो एज मैजिकल, एज amazing as mine, and even better, right? So thank you so much guys for watching this, and please let me know in the comment section below which was your tip that you liked the most, and what do you do in your day-to-day life that is intentional and meaningful. I would also like to implement your ideas in my life. And until my next video, please be kind, please be non-judgmental, and always love and care unconditionally. See you until my next video.
Good morning guys. So the first thing that I do after waking up is have my feet on the ground, and I just say thank you for a beautiful morning, and today I will have an amazing, positive and miraculous day. I am all unfiltered, raw, and I just open up my window. So I will just simply close the opening of the glass, and I will just say it that may this water bless me with good health. So whenever I walk, I make sure that I am using affirmations and rewiring my subconscious mind. This is my mindfulness, walking and then listening to affirmations.